Hi guys! Need a Bluetooth speaker to amp up your life but is low on budget after your last thrift store haul? Well, fret not, because today we'll be introducing this Bluetooth speaker for the price of only 2 bubble teas. Welcome to Review, where it's a series where we review cheap alternatives to out-of-budget items. So today we'll be unboxing this Bluetooth speaker from Daiso. So while I unbox this item, there will be the specs shown on the screen and we'll be comparing between the aesthetics, ease of use, and the sound quality. So in the box, as you can see, is the speaker, one charging cable, and an instruction manual. So let's look at the box and to what I see. So let's take out the packaging first. Yes, okay. Let's see. Actually, it looks pretty similar in a sense that even though this is a bit lighter than this, but I think it's pretty aesthetic, and honestly, what can go wrong with black? But personally, I wouldn't put this in my room because black is not my favorite color and my room is like purple, so I think pink would fit better. I would say that it's a bit unstable. As you can see, it's very wobbly. Yeah, you know when you first place. Then like if I were to use it in the shower, like who knows if this would like pia, you know? And we can see that the charging ports are here and on and off. Oh, this on and off sucks leh. Oh my god, sorry guys. It has battery.
Bluetooth mode.
You know in Chinese there's a saying, 一分钱一分货, which means 1 cent you pay for is the product you get. That was a very nice introduction from the Bluetooth. Okay, moving on. The charging cable is as normal. It's just a normal USB cable, so I think it's quite convenient in a sense. And it's an instruction manual. So right now we're going to be talking about the ease of use of this speaker. So let's talk about the weight of this. Honestly, it's really light. Like I don't know what I can compare this with because it's like paper light. Like compared to my phone, it's like this is like lighter by 2 times of my phone. Yeah, so I think it's pretty portable in a sense. But you can also tell that the quality is bad because it's plastic. Not too much to complain for the price. I think it's pretty portable also because you can just hold it like that and then you can just walk. Yeah, so. But I don't think it'll be very convenient if you have to like put your wrist through it because you can't. Yeah, so you can walk with this and all that. It's quite okay, and it's light, but the quality is not that great. I feel like if you were to drop, right, it might like just have a slit. Like you know those normal plastic water bottle, yeah, it's giving that quality. Let's talk about the Bluetooth connectivity. I'm gonna connect my phone to this Bluetooth. Wait, so on this, is it specified what name it will be? I'm assuming it's SR9910. Oh, okay, it is. So I'll be playing this Alan Walker Dreamer. Wait, isn't this supposed to be louder? But I click this, right, and then like, you know, like it skip the songs. So this is okay, so now we know. Oh wait guys, I just remembered. I just wanted to ask, what kind of products will you actually buy from Daiso? Please leave it down in the comments below. So right now we're going to be comparing the audio quality of on my phone and of the speaker. So let's play the song Alan Walker Dreamer. Okay, pretty good. Like the bass is also really clear and like I can even hear. Okay, so at the start, right, I think I heard some tweets. But okay, let's like try this on the speaker now. In my opinion, okay. I already on it. Just now my phone wasn't even the maximum volume and I think it was pretty crisp clear, but this one's already at the maximum volume and it's not really clear. And the bass sound sounds so plasticky. There's this plastic sound. So I'm using the iPhone 13. Oh, this is my doggy. Okay, but this is iPhone 13 and the quality is so much better. Like, I haven't even on like the maximum volume and like it was crisp clear, but now it's like, even if I on maximum volume for this is the maximum volume right now, and even if this is on the maximum volume, it's not giving. It's not even loud enough because you know, in the shower, right, you like it loud, but this is not loud. This is too soft, I'm sorry, but I think my phone would be a better alternative. When I press this button, right, y'all can hear, wait. It's very like plasticky, like it's hollow. It's like hollow inside. Wait, can we explore what this button does?
Bluetooth mode.
Oh, like this is pause and play. Okay, this pause and play. Well, this is misleading because it's supposed to be, I thought it's gonna be like louder and like softer, but it's not. This one is like skip one song, then this one is like go back, I think. Yeah, okay, I think relatively it's an okay product for $10, but I hate to admit that I can get better quality ones off Shopee. Based on this review, should this be viewed or is this actually valuable? As I have placed, I think this should just be viewed. It's not worth $10, guys. Let's say if it's an emergency, like you need a speaker, okay, then this would be the good alternative because you need it now. But you can wait. I think it's better if you go on Shopee. Okay guys, that's all for today. Please let us know if you like this kind of content. Please like this video and subscribe. And do comment down below on what kind of products you'd like us to review on the next episode. See you guys, bye!